Fred Kelly here, your nerd sidekick. Today I'm going to show you this TRENDnet rack mount kit. You can see here this is the ETH-11MK. This is designed to let you mount an 11-inch wide switch like this one into a 19-inch wide rack. It works with at least two switches. This is the TEG S16DG, has 16 ports. It will also, this will work with the TEG S24DG. So let me take this out and I'll mount it to the switch, put it in the rack, and you can see just exactly how that works. You can see there are just two simple brackets that you're going to install on either side of this. It does include 8 total screws, so you have what you need to make this come together other than just a screwdriver. These brackets, they are made of steel, very tough, so I'm confident these will hold the switch up and not sag over time. And so you can see there are 4 holes on the side of the switch. That matches up with the 4 holes on the mounting bracket. I don't think that this whole configuration there's not an industry standard for that. I don't think this is going to fit on other brands of switches. I did look at another switch that I have and this did not match up with that. So I don't think these are industry standard, thus the need to get a particular kit for your particular TRENDnet. All right, so I will go ahead and drive these screws in. You can see this is just going in easily. So that's it. I got both mounting brackets attached to the switch itself. Now I just need to mount this in my rack. This is the rack I'm going to mount the switch into. Now just to clarify, this rack mount kit does not include any mounting screws. So you will need to get those if you don't have any with your rack. My particular rack did include a whole bunch of screws for attaching devices into the rack. So let me do that so you can see how it looks. And these brackets do have some play here. You can see this is wide enough that you can adjust this left or right just to make sure that it fits in your particular rack. All right, I got the switch mounted here in this rack. This is not going anywhere. It's in there solid. This mounting kit is very sturdy, easy to do, 5 minutes or less, and you're good to go. I'm Fred Kelly, your nerd sidekick. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.